Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the second dialogue between Lucy and Lynn.
Walking to exercise. Lucy is doing exercise in the living room. Lynn is on the sofa watching TV.
Lynn, come exercise with me. It's fun.
No thanks, Grandma. Exercise is stressful.
It's not stressful. I want company. Come on, try it.
I'm very relaxed on this sofa. I don't want to move.
You sit on that sofa every day. Come do something with me.
I do things. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the bathroom.
That is not exercise, Lynn.
It is walking. Walking is exercise.
Fine. You like walking? Walk to the kitchen and bring me a glass of water, please.
Okay.
Lynn walks to the kitchen and brings Lucy a glass of water.
Thank you. Oh, can you also bring me an apple?
Lynn walks to the kitchen again.
Here.
Oh, and a napkin?
Lynn walks to the kitchen again and comes back.
And some cheese?
Grandma, that's 4 trips to the kitchen.
Yes. And how do you feel?
I feel fine. I feel good.
You walked a lot. That was exercise.
Wait, did you do that on purpose?
Who, me? I was just thirsty.
Sure, Grandma, sure.